So I'm excited to share a new project of the BDC, Berners Bar, which celebrates the history of the BDC. It talks about restoration, sustainability, and adds a playful personality, riffing on the idea of a British lounge at the heart of the centre. Things I particularly love is the bleachers, which is a seating area, creating an informal point for people to meet, but also acts as an archive. Behind me here are some bespoke tiles celebrating the BDC's history from when it was an agricultural hall all the way up to when it was here for the BAFTAs, crufts. So many amazing things happen on this one roof, and we're trying to tell that story within this design. Also, restoration is at the heart. This building was beautifully restored by the Morris family. And so a 17th century bar has been reused to make the new bar. Sustainable materials have been selected. So Durat, made from recycled plastics, is the bar top. I'm sitting on poplar ply, which is a sustainable tree for how quickly it grows back. And so we're pushing that narrative in the design so people can discover the commitment the BDC has to sustainability, restoration, but also creating flexible spaces for people to meet during event times or if you work here. What I'm really excited to see is how people begin to use this space. So from the telephone booth that now's called Darlanook, where you can have this moments yourself to sit, maybe make a phone call, or just take a bit of a respite from the busyness sometimes of the events, or to sit on the bleachers and have meetings, or just to meet someone informally. Seeing how people maybe notice the details on the bar, the slightly playful colours we've used, the yellow grout, begin to kind of question and explore some of the tiles behind me, discovering the history of the BDC. So it'd be amazing to see how people adopt the space, and I think it will become a really important space for the BDC.